the terms that are used on thin lenses. The following are the important features of the thin lenses. Means the terms that definitely can be used to determine the image of the image formed by a lens. One is optical center. It is a geometric center of a lens, and it is denoted by the black dots in a ray diagram. So this is a geometric optical center. This is an optical center. So this is called optical center. Kwa hiyo hii ndio inaitwa optical center, na kwenye mchoro wetu huwa tunafanya black dots. Manake it is denoted by the black dots, and it is a geometric center of the lens. And the second thing is called center of curvature. It is the center of a sphere of which a lens is a part, because a lens is a part of a sphere. Now the center of a sphere is what we call it center of curvature, and it is denoted by letter C. And then we have the principal axis. This is the line drawn through the optical center, and it is already perpendicular to the lens. It should be perpendicular, means they must form right angle. A right angle must be formed when the lens and the principal axis meet together. They form a right angle. That is why we say principal axis is an imaginary line which passes through the optical center of the lens at a right angle to the lens. Then we have the principal focus. Here it is. It is a principal focus, that is a point through which all rays traveling close and parallel to the principal axis pass for converging rays. So this is the principal focus, and it is denoted by capital letter F. Na hapa denoted by capital letter F. Kwa nini nimeandika pande zote mbili? Kwa sababu tunapokuwa tunafanya ray diagram tutatumia pande zote mbili, na ndio maana nimeandika principal focus. Na unote kwamba distance ya kutoka kwenye optical center mpaka kwenye principal focus tunaita focal length. Is the distance between the optical center and the principal focus. Maanake kutoka hapa kwenye principal focus mpaka kwenye optical center, length ambayo iko hapo tunaita focal length, kwa ambayo inakuwa represented by small letter f. Maanake ni umbali wa kutoka kwenye optical center mpaka pale ambapo principal focus ilipo. Lakini kingine tuna radius of curvature, ambayo ni distance from the optical center to the center of curvature. Sasa hivi vitu vyote sasa ambao tumeviandika hapa vinatumika kuweza kudetermine nature, position and size of the image. When you look at this one, which is concave and this is convex. Kwa convex na mfumo wake ni ule ule, na concave mfumo wake ni ule ule. Lazima uwe na optical center, lazima uwe na principal focus, lakini lazima uwe na kitu ambacho tunaita center of curvature, radius of curvature. Na point ni ile ile kwamba ili upate principal focus, ili upate focal length, lazima uchukue radius of curvature, you divide it by 2. Kwa maana hiyo in case hauna focal length, unachukua radius of curvature, you divide it by 2, so as you may obtain what we are looking for, the focal length. For geometric features that can be used to determine the position, size and nature of the image formed by the lens are the optical center, which is the center of the lens, and it is denoted by the black dots. And the second geometric feature is called center of curvature. This is the center of the sphere in which a lens is a part of a sphere. And then we have principal axis. It is a line drawn through the optical center, and it is already perpendicular to the lens. And also we have principal focus. It is the point that we have explained it here. And we have focal length, which is the distance from the optical center to the principal focus. But also we have radius of curvature, which is the distance between the optical center and the center of curvature. And this can be used, this radius of curvature can be used to determine the focal length. So these are the geometric features that definitely can be used to determine the size, nature, and position of the image formed by the lens.